wondered how much a $75,000 dividend portfolio could generate in passive income? Let's delve into this fascinating world of finance. Passive income, as the name suggests, is earnings that flow into your pocket with minimal ongoing effort. Now imagine having a river of passive income. Sounds dreamy, right? One of the most popular and effective ways to create this stream of income is through dividend stocks. These are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to shareholders. It's like being paid for being a part owner of a company. Building a solid dividend portfolio is key to unlocking this potential. And what's our magic number? $75,000. That's the value of the dividend portfolio we're going to explore today. So, are you ready to dive in? Stay tuned as we unveil the potential of a $75,000 dividend portfolio. It's time to take that first step towards financial independence and long-term wealth creation. Investing in dividend stocks is not a walk in the park. It's a journey that requires patience, strategy, and a little bit of courage. The world of investing is like a vast ocean, filled with opportunities but also fraught with risks. The first challenge that investors face is market volatility. The stock market is a tumultuous beast, with prices fluctuating on a daily basis. One day, your stocks could be soaring high, and the next, they could take a nosedive. This volatility can be nerve-wracking, especially for those who are new to investing. But remember, investing is a long-term game. It's about weathering the storm and staying the course, even when things get rough. Another challenge is assessing company performance. When you invest in a company's stocks, you're essentially betting on the company's success. You need to scrutinize financial reports, monitor industry trends, and keep a close eye on the company's management. It's like being a detective, sifting through clues to determine whether a company is a good investment or not. Then there's the risk of dividend cuts. Companies are not obligated to pay dividends, and they can reduce or eliminate their payouts at any time. A company might cut its dividends if it's struggling financially, or if it decides to reinvest its profits back into the business. When this happens, it can significantly impact your income stream. Lastly, there's the challenge of diversification. It's important to spread your investments across different sectors and companies to reduce risk. But finding the right balance can be tricky. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, but you also don't want to spread yourself too thin. Despite these challenges, a well-managed dividend portfolio can provide a steady income stream. It's like sailing a ship through stormy seas. Yes, it's tough, and yes, there will be times when you feel like you're being tossed around by the waves. But with a sturdy ship and a clear destination in mind, you can navigate through the storm and reach the calm waters of financial independence. Let's take a closer look at the $75,000 dividend portfolio. The magic word here is diversification. A diversified portfolio is like a well-balanced meal. You wouldn't want to eat only bread or just drink milk, right? Similarly, it's crucial to have a mix of different types of stocks to balance the risk and reward. This portfolio is a blend of high yield, consistent payout, and growth stocks. A perfect blend of safety, income, and potential for appreciation. Let's start with high yield stocks. These are the ones that pay a relatively high percentage of their share price as dividends. It's like getting a hefty paycheck for simply owning a piece of the company. But remember, high yields can sometimes signal financial distress. So it's crucial to pick companies with solid fundamentals and a history of stable dividends. Next, we have the stocks with consistent payout ratios. The payout ratio is the percentage of a company's earnings that it distributes to shareholders as dividends. Stocks with a consistent payout ratio are like the tortoise in The Tortoise and the Hare. Slow and steady, but they're reliable and they get the job done. Finally, there's the growth category. These are the stocks of companies that are expanding rapidly and reinvesting a substantial portion of their earnings back into the business. While these stocks may not pay high dividends right now, they have the potential to do so in the future as the company grows. Now, diversification doesn't mean just throwing a bunch of different stocks into a pot and hoping for the best. It's about understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each stock, how they complement each other, and how they fit into your overall investment strategy. It's about creating a well-rounded, resilient portfolio that can withstand the ups and downs of the market. And that's the secret sauce behind the $75,000 dividend portfolio. By carefully selecting and balancing high yield, consistent payout, and growth stocks, it's built to generate a steady stream of income, while also providing the potential for capital appreciation. A diversified portfolio like this can withstand any market conditions. Now, onto the most anticipated part, the total annual passive income. Drumroll, please. The grand total of passive income generated by my $75,000 dividend portfolio is an impressive amount. I won't keep you in suspense any longer, but let's just say it's a sum that makes all the investment research and risk-taking worth it. But how did I get there? Well, it all comes down to the art and science of selecting the right dividend stocks. There are a few in my portfolio that have been real powerhouses, consistently outperforming the market and delivering strong returns. Let's take a closer look at some of these top-performing stocks. First up, we have a company that's a household name. This global giant has a long history of steady dividend payouts and a strong track record of growth. Even during market downturns, this stock has proven to be a reliable source of income. Next, we have a lesser-known company that's been quietly delivering impressive returns. It's not as flashy as some tech stocks, but its consistent performance and attractive dividend yield make it a valuable addition to any portfolio. Another standout is a company in the healthcare sector. With an aging population and increasing healthcare needs, this stock is poised for long-term growth. Plus, its robust dividend yield adds a nice boost to my passive income. And let's not forget about the utility company that's been a steady performer. Utilities are often overlooked, but they offer stable dividends and are less susceptible to market volatility. This particular utility stock has been a solid contributor to my passive income. These stocks have proven to be real game changers, consistently delivering strong returns. But remember, building a successful dividend portfolio takes time, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy. It's not just about picking the highest yielding stocks, but also about creating a diversified portfolio that can weather any market storm. So, are you ready to start your dividend investing journey? So, why bother with a dividend portfolio, you might ask? Well, the answer lies in the promise of future financial security. A dividend portfolio is not just about making money in the short term. It's about investing for the long haul. It's about creating a steady stream of income that can carry you through your later years or even help you achieve early financial independence. The beauty of dividend investing lies in its focus on passive income. Once you've set up your portfolio, it continues to generate income with minimal effort on your part. And it's not just about the income, it's about the growth potential too. Dividend stocks often come from established companies that have a history of stable earnings and a commitment to sharing their profits with shareholders. In essence, building a dividend portfolio is an exercise in patience, discipline, and foresight. Creating a sustainable income source through a dividend portfolio can support you for years to come. If you found this insight valuable, then you're going to love what else we have in store for you. We've got a treasure trove of videos, each one more informative than the last, all geared toward helping you make the most of your investing journey. From how to pick the right stocks to understanding market trends, we've got you covered. But we don't want to just talk at you. We want to hear from you too. Feel free to share your thoughts, ask questions, or even share your own investing experiences in the comments. We're all here to learn and grow together. Oh, and don't forget that all-important subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll get notified each time we post a new video. That way, you won't miss out on any of our content. Thank you for joining today. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.